Ito lang.
Magba-Valentine's na, single ka pa din. Wala na nga na jowa, wala ka pang pera. Magba-Valentine's na, wala pang kadate. At magsi-celebrate kang ikaw lang mag-isa. Ay nga nga.
Disney Plus, Hulu.
Sing with me. I'm red, you're blue, let's go. When the nights...
Kinder Bueno just...
Having boys in the house means one thing. If you have kids, you already know, toilet.
So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do?
Akala ko Jollibee, tusok pala. Okay lang, parang kagatlam ng langgam. Kaya po to, istroma po eh. Ay, teka to, medyo makirot yun ah. Hindi siya langgam, parang langgam na may galit na yon. Aray. Parang personal na yan. Gusto mo kagat?
Sing with me. I'm red.
BTS?
Can you follow me on my other account?
Ladies, it's...
Keys of Flies. Your crush likes you.
If I told you that I've fallen, and I like the way you say my name, my heart skips a beat when I hear you calling, and I like that it won't go.
Zay, buntis ako. Huwag mo kaming ipagpalit kay Ella, please.
Sige, basta marami mag-follow at comment 6-7.
Zay, buntis ako. Huwag mo kaming ipagpalit kay Ella, please.
Sige, basta marami mag-follow at comment 6-7.
Zay, buntis ako. Huwag mo kaming ipagpalit.
Hey babe, if you're going...
Tonight I'm going all in with you, gorgeous, and your idiot husband won't suspect a thing. Stop talking about him, baby. You're ruining the mood.
Baby, wanna go for a walk in the park? I really need some time with you.
No, I'm busy. You go.
She doesn't even care about me anymore. She doesn't even sleep with me. She's letting our marriage fall apart.
You look a little lost, handsome. Can I sit here?
Oh, sure. Make yourself comfortable.
Wow, what a careless wife. If I had a man like you, I'd make you the happiest man in the world.
Yeah, I don't even know what else to do to get her attention anymore.
I loved our day at the park, handsome. What kind of message is this, Coca? Who is sending you messages like that? Were you flirting with another woman at the park while I was home waiting for you?
It was nothing. She was the one who came up to me. I swear on everything.
You deserve someone better, LaCroix. Someone who truly sees you and values you the right way. I can't take this marriage anymore. I'm tired of pretending I'm okay. It's over, Coca. Don't call me and don't text me anymore. I've already made my decision.
I didn't do anything. Why won't you at least listen to me?
Will you marry me, LaCroix? We were made for each other.
Yes, little Pepper, I do.
Tonight I'm going all in with you, gorgeous, and your idiot husband won't suspect a thing. Stop talking about...
Daddy's got her.
Hey, what time is it?
It's muffin time.
Actually it's 12:30.
Somebody kill me.
Hey, what time is it?
Only OGs remember this song.
Keys of Truth. Stop thinking about your ex. They're not worth it.
Yeah, shit, I think I changed. Things don't feel the same. I don't wanna play no games. Since I got this fame, it's been
Georgie! Richard! Paano to? Kainso!
puso mo.
If you want glowy,
Pre, wag mo tuloy yung plano mo. Boom! Bagsak! Yan, sa pool. Kasalanan sa akin, pre. Kaya ito, bang! Ang baho mo naman. Maligo. Uy, kaya ko to. So,
Jeffrey! Ano? Pupunta kami sa labas. Eh di pa billboard mo. Sama ka na. Ayoko nga. Tara na kasi. Tara. Isa, may nakita akong ibon doon. Habulin natin. Uy! Habulin mo mag-isa. Tara na! Kung di ka pa mamimik dyan, kakagatin kita. Uy!
This is Moose. Every day he's up at 5 a.m., gets his workout.
Ano makatakot! Iyaki lang kayo eh. Ikaw, ano? Yung pre, joke lang. Pre, sorry pre. Pre!
Umalis ka!
Alis!
Pre, mahulog